Hi, I hope you're having a great day today. I would like to welcome you to the world of the German dumplings. If you don't know me yet, my name is Marta from Cooking the World and I am food guide in Frankfurt. And as the name suggests, I show food. So if you like traditional food, please subscribe to our channel. I'm gonna start the dumpling video with probably the most popular German dumpling, which is the potato dumplings. You can find the potato dumplings in all regions in Germany, and the main ingredients are the potatoes, starch, egg, and for seasoning we use salt and nutmeg. Potato dumplings are traditionally served with all saucy dishes like beef roast, goulash or beef sour roast, but also fried with some ham and onion. One of the particular type of potato dumplings in Germany are the Schupfnudeln, and Schupfnudeln come from Swabia. To create those, I made my dough from potatoes, egg, flour, butter and salt. Schupfnudeln are rolled and then cooked in the salty water. And the most traditional way of serving them is with bacon, onion and sauerkraut. They're also available as a vegetarian variety without the bacon. And in Austria you can find them served sweet with poppy seeds. They are one of the reasons why I love Swabian cuisine so much. And although I'm not sure if you can include them in the dumpling section, I need to mention them anyway. Those are Spätzle, and those are soft egg noodles that come from Swabia and are made with Spätzle Hobel, however you want to call it in English. So after the dough has been prepared, they are cooked in salty water. The dough is actually pretty sticky, so it's not as easy to make them as you might think. So as you can see on the screen, by using Spätzle Hobel, the Spätzle are actually dropping into the salty water and are ready almost immediately. When we prepare Käsespätzle, we prepare them with onions and of course cheese and fried onions on the top. If you want your Spätzle to be extremely creamy, you can add cream to it or just a bit of milk for this amazing texture. So now we're gonna move on to another dumpling that comes from Swabia, and those are called Maultaschen. Maultaschen are dumplings that are filled with bread, which is meat that used to stuff the sausages, onions, stale bread roll and sometimes spinach. It's funny because in German they are called Herrgott Bescheißerle, which is gonna mean in English God's bullshitters. And this is because in the period of Lent people wanted to eat meat and thought that when they hide the meat in the noodle dough, the God is not gonna know. I know, crazy Germans. Maultaschen are often served in a soup, but also fried with some butter and onions. And there are also vegetarian variations available. And now let's move on to the soup dumplings. So the first ones that I would love to show you are the Griesnockern, which are Semolina dumplings. Those also, as far as I know, come from Swabia. The main ingredients for the Semolina dumplings is obviously semolina, milk, egg, butter, and those are seasoned with a nutmeg. Those are usually served as a soup dumpling, as mentioned, but also as a dessert with cinnamon or compote. Another dumpling that I would like to mention are the Brätknödel, and those also probably come from Swabia. Those are usually made from sausage meat, breadcrumbs, butter, salt and parsley. And the last dumplings that I would like to show you are the Butterklößchen, and those are made of butter, egg, salt, breadcrumbs and nutmeg. All of those are extremely delicious and go very well with the broth. Another very important dumpling to mention is the bread dumpling, and you can find them actually in most of the regions in Germany, but mostly Bavaria. So the ingredients are stale bread rolls, warm milk, egg, parsley, salt and sometimes butter, onion, nutmeg and lemon zest. They are also traditionally served with all saucy dishes and go very well with a pork roast and sauerkraut. In some regions you can also find them served with a mushroom sauce as a vegetarian variation. And now we're gonna move on to the sweet dumplings, and those are actually called Hefeklöße and they come from Bavaria. To make this dumpling I used flour, salt, yeast, milk, butter, sugar and egg. And the best thing about this dumpling is this crust that is at the bottom. I created it by cooking it in the pan in water mixed with sugar. And the last dumplings that I would like to show you are the dumplings with a sweet filling. And those I have eaten for the first time in Bavaria. There are 3 types of sweet-filled dumplings. Some of them are potato-based, quark-based and flour-based. In this variation, I prepared those with a Quark, so the German white cheese. They're made exactly like the Zwetschgenknödel, so the dumplings that are filled with the plums. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I love cooking with local and seasonal ingredients, and therefore I made them with strawberries. I served my dumplings with butter and breadcrumbs on the top and also a bit of powdered sugar. So usually those dumplings are also filled with plums, cherries, or in Austria with apricot. I think that cooking local and seasonal is the best way to celebrate the changing seasons of the year. Thank you very much for watching this video. Could you please let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite side dish? In the description box down below, you're gonna find my favorite recipes. For more content about traditional food, please follow us on Facebook, Cooking the Word cooking blog, and a travel blog, Local Food Advice. And if you would like to know what to cook with your German dumplings, I would like to encourage you to watch our meat video for a bit of inspiration. I wish you all a happy week and I see you in the next one. Bye!